Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about a product that my husband has been using for a few years now, and I've actually started to use it too. It's called Biofreeze, and you can use it maybe if you've been working out, you have sore muscles, or maybe you've been sitting too much and have sore muscles. It kind of works for anything. You can put on your joints as well. Maybe you have arthritis, they're a little achy. So what I'll do to use it, give it a few shakes. I like the rollerball because the smell is a strong, nice menthol smell, but I like that I don't have to rub it into my hands. I can just rub it directly on the area I need to put it on, and that liquid will come right out. As I'm rolling it on just 2 or 3 times, that nice cool feeling is already sinking in and it's giving me relief to my muscles. You'll notice that the liquid that comes out is just a clear liquid. It's not sticky or anything like that. If you're looking for a product for pain relief, maybe from your joints or your muscles, I'd highly recommend looking into Biofreeze. Try the roll-on. I think it's an awesome product. It's a product we've been using for a while and will continue to use, and that's our point of view.